This video, I'll show you how to set the best settings for any shooting situation you come across with your RAW Wireless Go. Let's go. The first settings that I want you to learn about is how to set up this RAW Wireless Go to put in your camera, okay? Your DSLR mirrorless, display, mirrorless display, okay? So that's the first thing I'm going to do, okay? Right now, I had the LD frame right here is a video mic micro. So it's a shotgun mic. That's how it sounds right now. But I'll change it over to the RAW Wireless Go and see how the settings goes, okay? But for these settings, usually I'll do a test shot first. Okay, in your settings, in your DP, I set it to medium. So there's a DP button right there. You press onto that and it will set you to this setting. You can get 3 settings, so there's low, medium and high. So I usually start with medium and I'll clip on. I'll do a test shot first, then I'll check my audio quality if I need to change it in the camera or in the RAW Wireless Go. So that's what I do. Right now I have the RAW Wireless Go. The DP setting is medium, okay, so minus 12 dB, and I connect it to my Panasonic Lumix GH4. So this is the sound quality out of that this microphone compared to the video, that one, okay. RAW Wireless Go micro, so that one that I have there before, that's what you're hearing. But how's this sound compared to the other one? This one is wireless, so I can move around. This one I have it on the a pole here. Yeah, but how's the sound quality? Usually what I do before I go further, I do a sound test. Okay, so I just do a sound test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I stop the recording and I go to my camera and do an audio check, okay, to see if it's the right settings, okay. You don't want to go to do the full take, then you find out later on that your audio quality is not as great as you wanted it to be. So that's what you do. I'll do it now and I'll come back and see how, show you guys my settings, okay. Yeah, it sounds great with this setup right here, the settings that I have. So medium and probably around minus 9 dB on the Panasonic GH4. That's my usually starting point for the RAW Wireless Go. So that's the camera setup. Depends on what camera you have. I don't know your camera settings. So, but for me, the GH4 I set at minus 9 and the RAW Wireless Go DP settings I set at medium, minus 12. My name is Travis. Thanks for watching this first tip so far. If you like what you're seeing, what you're hearing, please consider subscribing to my channel. I like to make more content like this for you guys, okay? Let's go back to the tutorial. You can use your RAW Wireless Go is with a smartphone, okay? But before you can connect the RAW Wireless Go to your smartphone, I use an Android device, but for you iOS device, this other plug that RAW has, see, I'll do a B-roll so you can see what it is that you need. But for an Android guys like myself, this is what you need. That kind of brown color. SC7, that's what I call SC7. And this you can connect this to a TRS connector. This will go straight. This will go straight to your phone. This connection here, the female, go to your normal TRS connection, and that's you good to go. Okay, that's where you're good to go to connect your phone to your Rode Wireless Go. Okay. The next thing you can do with your Rode Wireless Go is connect it to a smartphone like this. And with that you can now do a vlog like that, and you get great audio quality. Okay, you get great audio quality like that. Okay, it's dangling like that, but this I can clip it on to my like that, and you're ready to go. You can monitor your meter down here. How you going like that? Okay. But you can't monitor the meter on your phone. So the same process with audio check. So take one clip first, get a small take, say around 10 to 15 seconds. So you do a audio test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an audio test for the Rode Wireless Go, something like that. Then you listen to it on your phone to see if any settings in the Rode Wireless DP. So you can set it down to low or medium or high. So you can't set it on your phone. But nowadays, that's right, there's a lot of apps around that can help you with that, right? So finger crossed, when there's an app that can monitor the audio quality out any Android or iOS device, I'll let you guys know. Another great setup that you can do is connect it to a external recorder. Now, right now, I have the Zoom H1, the original one. But right now, you can get the Zoom H1N. Very similar concept, but you can connect the Rode Wireless Go to the Zoom. Since Zoom has a monitor, capability to have a monitor here, like that. You can power through a power bank like this, the last connection, and you can basically connect your. Yeah, I dropped it. It survived. Okay, so around 1 meter drop, it survived onto a tile floor. Okay, you can connect it here and connect it to your microphone. There. Now, if I press a record button, you can do a lot when you have a connection like this. Okay, so usually most professionals will record externally or a second backup. Okay, I can use this setup like this, right? I can record external audio separately from my camera, and if there's one problem with the microphone, I still have a redundancy. Okay, that's most professional use. Okay, this setup here will take me longer, but I'll show you another time how to do this setup properly. But this video is just a walkthrough how you can get a good audio settings. First take, and the one on your phone or your camera is the second take of good audio settings. Hey, thanks for watching. If you find the content useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll make this kind of content with you guys. Like, share my content if you find it valuable. Thank you. I'll see you next time.